Let us learn how to install apps on your TCL Google TV. In this video, you're actually going to be using the Google Play Store. So you're going to first locate the Google Play Store and then you open it. So you're going to press the settings button on your TV remote to have this menu on your right hand side. Okay, you're going to press OK on all settings to have this display, and then you're actually going to move down till where you find apps. Then you press OK on apps. Okay, when you press on OK on apps, you are basically trying to look for the Google Play Store application. Okay, so you're actually going to move down to see all apps, and you press OK on see all apps. You want to see all the applications on this TV. You're going to scroll down. Okay, you got to be a little bit patient to locate the Google Play Store application. Then till you see show system apps, press OK on show system apps. Okay, and then you're actually going to scroll down until you see the Google Play Store application. Okay, Google Play Store. Right there, you can actually see Google Play Store. Press OK on Google Play Store. When you open Google Play Store, you see the open option. So you're going to tap on open. Okay, press OK on open, and now you can now open. You have now been able to open the Google Play Store. Now in Google Play Store, you actually see the search option in the upper part right there. So using your TV remote, got the search option right there. Now basically what you're going to do is you're actually going to put the name of the application that you want to install on your TCL Google TV. This is what in this video we're going to be using the VLC application. That's what I'm going to be installing. Okay, so you in your keyboard press the name. You're going to be using VLC. Type VLC right there. When you're done, the suggestion is actually right down below. You can actually see right now. And then you can actually see the install option down there. Okay, move the install on your left right there. Then you press OK on install. So basically it's downloads. Okay, you can actually see right there it's downloading. Once it finishes downloading, you actually it gets installed, and then you can now see the open option right there. You can now tap on open to access the application that you have actually downloaded on your TCL Google TV. So that's how basically you can actually install an application in your TCL Google TV. Consider subscribing if you actually pick value in this video. See you next time.